Okay, here we have a dozen designer fabrics, and I'm going to try to show them to you the best I can because they are just simply stunning, as if you were shopping in our store. So this first one, these first four are Valentino. This is a jacquard. It is blue and black, and jacquard obviously means it's reversible, the way it's woven. It's absolutely stunning. It is a wool, this is Valentino wool cotton blend. And obviously these are all Italian. This next one goes with it. If that's for a jacket, this would be the pants. It has a linear and a sheen on one side and a linear kind of a matte on the other side. This is a silk wool poly blend. Here, I think it actually, oh yeah, silk 18%, wool 25%, poly 52%, if that adds up okay. I'm not sure if it does. Anyway, beautiful drape on these. Pants, jacket, anything you did would be beautiful. That's a woven. The first two are wovens. This silk corresponds with these beautifully. The blues are the exact same color, the black, just 100% silk, and it is absolutely stunning. And again, this is Valentino. All of these are very, very limited. There's just not a lot of quantity on any of them. And these really are, this is a 2025 season. This next one, this is a Valentino also. You'll notice it's the exact same color of the leaves. It's called Vanilla Cream. This is a silk wool poly also, same as the blue, but this is a vanilla. You can see on this side, it's kind of a linear. It's just beautiful. I wish you could feel them. They're just absolutely beautiful. Okay, these next two are Hugo Boss. And this is a silk, 100% silk. You can see the wine coloration, just beautiful. Again, just beautiful. And then this is a Hugo Boss, and this is a viscose. I'm sorry. And you can see, I'm hoping, I'll take pictures of all these too, that this is a wine with a black bias stripe. This has stretch in both directions. It's a knit, and it's just absolutely stunning. It's just a beautiful piece of fabric. So those two are kind of partners. These next four I'm not allowed to say, but you know them. They're double M. You know them. Anyway, this is a cotton lycra, I'm sorry, has stretch in both directions. It is the colors are navy, black, a little bit of purple. It's a stripe laced. I called it a lace striped because you got a lace pattern. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. I mean, just really, it's kind of like a Pontoroma. It has stretch in both directions, but cotton lycra. All right, again, same designer, the MM, you know them. Oops, won't say it. Anyway, this also is like a Pontoroma. This is a cotton silk, stretch in both directions. You notice the purple, the teal. These are all really current, fresh colors. Look like really dark green. We're going to go over here. That purple, we're going to go here. It's just really beautiful. This is 100% silk, same designer, made to go together. Isn't that beautiful, that purple? 100% silk. Drape is just incredible on that. And then you've got this, I'm going to call it kind of a, again, it matches perfectly to here, like a dotted on there. Beautiful. And then this next one is Gucci. And this is a green, even though I put it in because it goes with this so beautifully. Green is the same. This is like a really dark teal. This is 100% viscose. It's Gucci. It has stretch in both directions. It's definitely a Pontoroma, but it's a viscose, 100% viscose. Beautiful piece of fabric again. This last one is Etro. And this is a black and blue. I'll take a close-up picture of this so you can see it. It's like a Pontoroma. It has stretch in both directions. It's just a beautiful knit. The fiber on this is a wool lycra. All right, so there we have it, our designers, and we'll take photos and have fun. And remember, it's Black Friday. Happy sewing.